Welcome all to the world of maths. This is Christabel and you're watching my YouTube channel KRISY'S Maths Academy. So for those who are watching my video for the first time, this is to inform you that this video is a tutorial on maths, that is on the syllabus of quantitative aptitude, which is required for competitive exams such as in bank exams, RRB, PSC, etc. So please don't forget to watch this video completely, to like, subscribe and click on that bell icon so that you will get notifications on my next video. Also, you need to share this video among your friends who are preparing for such competitive exams. Okay, so in my previous video I had discussed on problems on number series, AP and GP. That is, totally we had discussed on 6 questions. All those questions were direct questions in which we'll get the sequence and we just find out whether it is an AP or GP or a number series, put the formula and work it out. But in this video, I am going to discuss on practical problems or word problems. That is, we are applying these in our daily lives. Okay? So such word problems we have to read out and understand, and we'll get a sequence and we have to find the pattern and find out whether it is arithmetic or geometric progression. So in this video I'll be discussing on 2 word problems. Okay, so let's start. So the first question is, an auditorium has 10 seats in the first row and 2 additional seats in successive rows. If there are 25 rows, how many seats are there in the last row? How many seats are there in the auditorium? Okay, so there are 2 questions. They have to find how many seats are there in the last row and totally in that auditorium how many seats are there. Okay, so first we have to imagine an auditorium. Okay, so I'm going to draw the top view of an auditorium. Okay, an auditorium, this is the starting part. There are 10 seats. 1, 2, 3, etc. And this is the 10th seat. And 2 additional seats in each successive row. So, in the first row, now this is row 1, right? In the first row there are 10 seats. What about row 2? 2 additional seats are there. That is, if the first row is having 10 seats, the second row will have 10 plus 2, that is 12 seats. Okay, that is 1, 2, 3, etc. 11, 12. Okay, and as the rows increase, then each there will be 2 additional seats. Okay, so it will be somewhat in this shape. Okay, so again plus 2 seats are added in each row. Okay, and finally they are telling that there are 25 rows. So the question is, how many seats are there in the last row? That is, in the 25th row, how many seats are there and how many seats are there in the auditorium? Total how many seats are there? So this is what they have to find out. Okay, now we have to find the sequence. We have to consider this as the first term. The first term is 10, that is, number of seats will be 10. What about the second term? That is, it is considering the second row. So there are 2 additional seats. So 10 plus 2, and the second row will be the number of seats and the second term will be 12. So the next we have to add to 40, etc. And there are 25 terms, and the last term, that is how many seats are there in the 25th row, that we don't know. We have to find out. So I am writing it as AN, that is the last term. but we know the value of n. What is it? It is the total number of rows. So I can write n equals 25. Okay. So this is the sequence. Now let's find the pattern. We already know that the second term is got by adding 2 to the first term and plus 2 like that. The pattern is add 2. So it is an arithmetic progression. AP, right? Because if I add 2, I'll get 12. 12, add 2, I'll get 14. Okay? So now let's work out this in arithmetic progression. So in arithmetic progression, A, which is the first term, what it is? 10. What about the common difference D? It is 2, right? And n is equal to 25. So now we have to find, what all we need to find? An. And then they are asking the total number of seats in the auditorium. That will be the sum of the seats in each row, which is same as Sn. So these are the two factors which we have to find out. Okay. So now let's use the formula of An in arithmetic progression. An will be equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So I'll substitute, that is 10 plus 25 minus 1 into 2. That is 10 plus 24 into 2. 24 into 2 is 48. 10 plus 48, which is equal to 58. Okay. So we know that in the final row, that is in the 25th row, there are 58 seats. Now next we have to find Sn. Okay. We have the formula Sn equals n by 2 into A plus An, right? Now I'll substitute the values. That is 25 by 2 into 10 plus An is 58. So that will be equal to 25 by 2 into, what is 10 plus 58? 68. 68. Now when I divide 68 by 2, I'll get 34. Okay. And which is equal to 25 into 34. And 25 into 34 is 850. Okay. That is the total number of seats in the auditorium. So we have the answer that An equals 58 and Sn equals 850. Okay. Now let's go to the second word problem. Okay. If you receive rupees 0.01 on the first day, rupees 0.02 on the second day, rupees 0.04 on the third day, and double the amount on each successive days, what is the total amount of money you will receive in 30 days? Okay. So let's write down the sequence. The first term, this is the first day. You will get rupees 0.01. So I write the sequence will be 0.01. This will be the first term. This is the amount you get in the first day. What about the second day? Rupees 0.02. So the second term will be rupees 0.02. And on the third day you are getting 0.04. 0.04, etc. And on each successive days the amount is getting doubled. Okay. And finally they are asking what will be the amount, what is the total amount you will receive in 30 days. So this is we have n equals 30. Okay. So let's see what pattern it is. It is getting doubled, that is into 2. The pattern is into 2. That is the first term into 2, I'll get 0.02, then 0.02 into 2, I'll get 0.04. Okay. So since the pattern is multiplied by a constant, this is a geometric progression. Okay. So I'll write it as a geometric progression. Now let's see what all terms we can take out from this sequence. We have the first term. A is 0.01. Then the common difference D equals 2, right? And then we have the number of terms n equals 30. So what we have to find out? What is the total amount of money you will receive in 30 days? Is it AN? No. AN, if they are asking for the value AN will be the amount you get on the 30th day. That is the nth day. But they are asking the total amount that you will receive in all the 30 days. That is adding all these numbers. Okay. So we have to find Sn. Okay. So the formula for Sn is A into r raised to n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So let's substitute the values. 0.01 into 2 raised to 30 minus 1 divided by 2 minus 1. Okay. Now we have to find the value of 2 raised to 30. If in the multiple choice, sometimes already the answer will be something in terms of 2 raised to 30 minus 1. Then we can calculate this and just give out the option. So anyways, I am finding out this value. I already told to learn few powers of 2. That is 2 raised to 5 equals 32. 2 raised to 10 equals 1024. Okay. So what will be 2 raised to 30? 2 raised to 30 will be 2 raised to 10 into 2 raised to 10 into 2 raised to 10. Right. So that is 1024 into 1024 into 1024, right? And when you calculate, you will get the answer. So when you calculate, you will get this as the answer. So I'll substitute this value. What will get? 0.01 into 2 raised to 30 minus 1. So this value minus 1. It will be 1073741,823. Right? And you have to multiply with 0.01. That is 2 decimals this side to the left. So the answer will be 10737418.23. So this will be the total amount you will get in 30 days. Okay. And please note down that in the options, it is an amount. That is, you have to mention the answer is rupees 1073741,823. Don't forget the rupees. That is, you have to mention the unit. Okay. So if you have any doubt in these two problems, please write in the comment section so that I can help you, and we'll meet back in the next video. Okay. Till then, bye.